Don't just throw away your clothes, upcycle it. Well, upcycling is transforming something from its original use, something that looks completely different and has a different use. For example, a pair of tracksuit joggings into a skirt, or yes, a normal pair of jeans into a skirt. If you're new around here, my name's Irene and I cannot think of a life without my sewing machine. I love sewing and I like sharing these videos so you can get ideas of what you can do at home as well. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing so that way you don't miss anything, because I upload twice a week, or at least I try. And let me know down in the comments which things you want to upcycle in your house, and maybe we can give you some ideas. It's ideal because you can make the most of everything in your wardrobe, and maybe something you didn't quite like, it turns into your favorite. But of course, before cutting anything, just think if it's better donating it, if someone might enjoy it as it is, before you try to upcycle it and maybe don't get the result you quite expected. I love upcycling. Is one of the things I like the most of sewing. I love upcycling. It's one of the things I enjoy the most of sewing. This, for example, is a dress I made out of a sheet, and you have to really be careful and think of the design and how much fabric you have available before you start cutting anything. Well, these are some of my favorites. This, for example, was a pair of trousers, of joggers, that I transformed into a pinafore. I have another pinafore made of corduroy trousers, a robe from my mom's that I made into a dress, the famous scarf dress I wear a lot. It's one of my favorites. And then skirts I made out of other trousers. It's really good. And not long ago I made out of a pair of trousers, of the legs of a pair of jeans, I made a holder for the wrapping paper. So you can do loads. And this is because we're talking about garments, but you can make many more things. And this is because we're talking about garments, but you can make many more things if you think outside the box. If you, for example, think that this bedding could be a lining for cushions or handbags, or maybe you can make the little pouch bags people make with little pieces of remnants, or if you just get into the patchwork wall, you can make lots of things by sewing together little pieces. Tengan en cuenta también los materiales, no todo sirve para todo, y a lo mejor pues de un vaquero no pueden hacerse una blusa. Podrán hacer a lo mejor un chaleco, algo estructurado, algo similar, algo que la tela te permita maniobrar. Entonces tengan cuidado con la elección de telas también. Tips for recycling. Have your design clear, because this is the base, and make sure you have enough fabric. This one was easy because it was a sheet, so I had lots of fabric, but take into account the amount of fabric you need. And if you're going from a garment to another garment, for example from a pair of trousers to a vest or a jacket, make sure you're going to have enough. Make sure of the size it is and the size you're going to need, so you don't run out of fabric in the middle of the process. And make sure of the state of the fabric. Maybe if it's too worn, it's not worth doing anything with it because maybe it tears apart when you wear it. So take care of that too. And take into account that sometimes, even when we think a lot about it, it doesn't come out as we thought it will. So don't be disappointed. It's part of the process. You're learning. We are all learning. And it's just a pity. So take into account everything before starting. And even though it's challenging, I think it's one of the most rewarding process of sewing because it's very creative. You're creating something from something else, so it needs a lot of calculating and thinking, and it's really pleasing. And at the end of the day, if the upcycling project didn't come out as you expected, don't just throw it away. If that pair of trousers didn't work as a skirt, try to make use of it. Try to use the buttons, the zips, the fabric in another way. Make a pouch bag or a little basket, something. Make something out of it so we don't throw so much stuff away. En este mundo consumista, coser es la revolución y mucho más si lo que estamos es reciclando y transformando y aprovechando todo lo que tenemos en los armarios. Tenemos ropa para 3 vidas. Es que tenemos las casas repletas, tenemos cosas para 3 vidas y aún así no las vamos a utilizar todas. Así que denle uso a todo lo que tienen, transformen, donen también, por supuesto, que el mercado de donaciones fluya. In this world of fast fashion, sewing is revolutionary and upcycling even more because we're getting to use everything we have. We have our wardrobes full of stuff. We have for 1,000 lives and we're not going to use them all. So try to use everything, donate as well. Try to circle your clothes so people can use them as well. And don't forget to let me know that in the comments which projects you think you can do with something, or if you have something special kept but you don't know what to do with it, let me know and I'll try to think of ideas with you. And I'll see you around. Bye. Ay, mi madre, qué bien. Micro al vuelo.